Hey guys, it's Eric here, and yes, I have the Huawei Y7p in my hand and I'm currently working on my full review. On my previous Huawei phone reviews, I noticed that a lot of people asked to know if those phones came with Google Play Store pre-installed. As most of you know, there was and still is an economic conflict between US and China. Because of this, since last year, Google has been prohibited from preloading Google apps including Gmail, Google Maps, YouTube, Play Store and other Google services onto new Huawei devices. While the previous Y series phones I reviewed on my channel actually did come with Play Store pre-installed, the Y7p does not. It however comes pre-installed with an alternative app store, the Huawei App Gallery, and in this video we are going to be exploring what it's really about and how good of a Play Store replacement it actually is. Now, Huawei Mobile Services is the umbrella platform that replaces popular Google apps and services like Play Store, Gmail, Maps, cloud storage, etc. Some of you may have noticed the app gallery icon or other services and thought it was just bloatware on your Huawei smartphone because the Play Store was also right there. However, on the Huawei Y7p, it's major key because the first thing anyone does upon unboxing their brand new device is to open the Play Store on Android devices or App Store on iPhones to install their apps or transfer them from an older device as the case may be. Now, we have Huawei App Gallery on Android-powered smartphones and it's sort of a game changer. It already is the third largest app store in the world. We're talking 400 million plus monthly active users in 170 plus countries and 1.5 million registered developers making apps for this platform. Currently over 60,000 apps, and I can already see a few familiar ones. This should increase significantly in the coming months, especially with developers getting up to 90% of the revenue generated, which is higher than Play Store's 70%. Just like on Play Store, every app on Huawei App Gallery goes through standard screening and security measures. While it may be a standalone app for people in some regions, around here I'm pretty sure it doesn't remotely cover a lot of apps that we use. For that, I'll be doing a separate video on how to install all of your favorite apps and use Google Mobile Services on the Huawei Y7p. Be on the lookout for my full review in a couple of days. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it. Also follow me on Twitter and Instagram to see what I'm up to. Do subscribe for more videos like this as it will mean a lot to me, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.